Are you tired of the same old, colorful screen on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to transform your iPhone screen from vibrant colors to sleek black and white. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Display and Text Size. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Color Filters. Go ahead and tap Color Filters. So now what you want to do next is enable this. To do that, toggle on this switch next to Color Filters. All you have to do now is select Grayscale. There you go, now you've successfully turned your iPhone screen black and white. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.